Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I've joined from the tab, so is it okay if I keep my camera off?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
But do respond, no, if the understanding
Yeah. Also, I do not know how to zoom in when you screen share. So is it how you zoom in into normal stuff?
How to what? How to what?
How to zoom into your presentation, like whatever you're presenting.
Okay.
How to zoom.
Okay.
To zoom in like how you do it for other things, right?
Zoom in, have you zoom it in your mobile? Pinch and
Yeah,
zoom.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
You did not do problem set sums. The MCQs.
I did problem set sums and MCQs.
No.
1
You
to
sent me
10.
practice at 3.3. You sent me now. A while ago, what you sent those photos of practice at 3.3.
Actually, I have done everything ahead and behind. So, 1 second. Let me just see.
And you said we practice at 3.1 and 3.2. Those are good, nice. That's fine. I also wanted 3 problem sets, 1 to 10 MCQs.
Oh, yeah. I did not send you that. Should I? Okay, wait 1 second.
You did not do that,
I'll
or you did not
to you,
send
right?
it to me?
No, I've done it. I
Okay, so send me
and send.
after the class to it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do the 7th.
Yeah, and the
now.
school has reached till
Say
yeah, the school has reached till 3.2.
3.2.
We finished 3.2 today.
The second exercise. Yeah, we also finished 3.2.
No, I'm just telling you till where we have reached.
Okay. So 3.3 we finished 1 to 6, 7, 8, and 9 was remaining.
No.
What?
Oh yeah.
7th, 8th, and 9th sum.
There's
3
no
sums.
confusion. 1 to 10 sums are from what?
Problem set. Problem set.
Okay, and
MCQs.
okay.
There are 10 MCQs.
Okay, and this is practice set.
This is practice at
What
3.3. 3.3.
Okay.
7, 8, and 9. 3 sums are remaining.
Okay.
So from
Yeah, we only 6.
Yeah, so from there, the 7th sum will do first. In an AP, understand the question first. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. Now, consecutive means one after the other. And their product means multiplication. Their product is 504. Find the terms. And here there is a hint given in the question. Assume that the 3 consecutive terms in an AP are A minus D, A plus D. Okay, so let me start with the solution, then you'll understand it properly. So let the 3 consecutive terms, we'll use the hint that is given to you. So let the 3 consecutive terms, consecutive
1 second. The school has done word problems also.
Yeah, word problems are there. Yes. A minus D, comma A plus D. Okay, so this is the first term. This is the second term. And this one is the third term. Okay, so the 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, A plus D. Now we'll use the conditions that is given. First condition, sum of them. Sum means addition. That means if you add these 3 terms, you will get 27. And if you multiply all these 3 terms, you'll get 504. Okay, so by
3A minus 2D equals to 27.
How 3A?
Because A and A. So if you add.
Okay. Yeah. Correct. Yes. So by the condition, by the given condition, we have A minus D plus A plus D equals to 27. And yes, for over here, minus D plus D cancelled, and 3 A's are there. So 3A is equal to 27. So A will be 27 divided by 3, which is 9. So we got A to be 9. Now use the second condition, that is product. That means if you multiply all these 3, you will get 504. So multiply all these 3. A minus D multiplied by A multiplied by
D square.
A plus D equal to 504. Yeah, what did you say? A
cube. Wouldn't it be A cube?
Yeah, but one easy way is, see, we got the value of A right here, 9. Let's substitute the value of A here, 9.
Okay, 9. Okay.
So 9
But then we
minus,
haven't got D, so how
yeah,
will we
yeah.
analyze the
So
value?
after solving this equation here, we'll get the value of D. So 9 minus D into A, that is 9, into
Yes.
9 plus D equals 504. Okay, so now what you do is, I'll keep this 9 first here
So you
outside.
use the formula A plus B, A minus B.
Yes, so I'll use a formula here, A minus B, A plus B. This is equal to 504. So it becomes A square minus B square. So 9 into 9 square minus D
Minus
square
B square.
is equal to 504. Okay, now you see this 9 here is in multiplication. This, which is outside, this is in multiplication. When you take on the other side, it will get divided by 504. And this 9 square, I'll write it here as 81 minus D square. And that 9 came this side and it will get divided by 504. Is this step clear? Yes, did you understand the step?
Yes.
Okay, so 504 divided by 9 will give 9 ones and 9. 5s are 45 and 6 are 54. So 504 divided by 9 is 56.
56.
So here you have 81 minus D square is equal to 56.
So then you can take, then you can take 56 on the other side.
Yeah, take 56 this side and take minus D square on the other side. Okay, take this side and this side. So it will become 81 minus 56. Okay, plus 56 became minus, and minus D square went on that side, became plus D square. So 81 minus 56 is 1 minus 25. So D square is equal to 25. So D will
D is
be
equal to 5.
square root of 25, which is 5. Okay, now note one thing. Whenever you remove the square root sign, you put plus or minus 5. Okay, plus or minus 5. Because why plus or minus 5? Because square of plus 5 is 25 and square of minus 5 is also 25. Okay,
but
that
usually we only take 5.
See, in this case, you have to take both plus or minus, because we are not, when you're working with distances, when you're working with distance, like in the distance formula thing, when in coordinate geometry, we never took minus, because distance can never be negative. You can never say that I traveled minus 9 meters. Okay, that's why we took only positive over there. But here we are not working with distance, we are working with purely numbers. So it can be plus 5 or it can be minus 5. So both are acceptable.
No, but in the textbooks and all of that also they take plus and minus.
Yes, depending
because
on.
our school took only plus.
Okay.
I think one more place it has been like this. So over there also they have taken only plus.
Okay, but you have to take both. In this case, you have to take both.
But this is the end of the sum, right?
Yeah, no. We just found A and D. We need to still find what are the, if you see the question, they are asking to find out what are those numbers, what are those 3 consecutive numbers. So we still have to substitute it in this. Understood?
Oh, okay, got it.
So A is 5 and D is plus or minus 5. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take 2 cases. Case 1, where A is 5 and D is plus 5. And case 2 you take where A is 5 and D is D is minus 5. 1 minute. What we got A as 9. No? I'm mistaken here.
Yes, A is 9 and D is 5 plus or minus.
A is 9. A is 9. Okay. So 2 cases here. Where first where I'm taking D as plus 5. Second
Up
case
also
where
you
I'm
have to
taking
write A is equal to 9.
Yeah. And second case, when I'm taking d as minus 5. So what was our three consecutive numbers? Our three consecutive numbers was a minus d, a, and a plus d. Substitute. So this will become 9 minus 5, comma 9, comma 9 plus 5. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is 4, comma 9, comma 9 plus 5 is 14. So this is in case 1. This is my answer.
Okay. So I
And
have to write it.
in case 2, case 2, a minus d, comma a, comma
Oh,
a
both the
plus.
ways you have to do.
Yes,
Oh,
both the
okay.
ways. So here a is 9 minus 5, comma 9, comma a, sorry, 9 plus minus 5. So here this becomes 9 plus 5, 9, and 9 minus 5. But you'll note one thing you'll get to know here. So 9 plus 5 is 14, 9, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4. So you see in both the cases, the terms are the same. 4, 9, 14, 14, 9, 4. It's just in reversed. Is this clear?
So you have to write both the cases, but
Yes, yes, you've tried both the cases.
okay, I will have to write it.
I'll just zoom out. Okay, can you see the entire question, entire solution?
Yes.
Are you
Yeah.
able to zoom?
Yes.
Okay. So write it down, understand each and every step and write it down. Let me know once you finish.
Yes. Done.
Okay, let's do the 8th one.
Nobody comes. You want
You can
this?
hear me, right?
Yes.
No.
So here you have to find 4 consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 12 and sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Okay, and here the hint is given.
Shall I try this?
Yeah.
It is like the previous one only, right?
Yes, but only here product is not given. Okay, condition is different.
Okay.
It's like the previous one only condition is different. So first condition is whose sum is 12. That means you add all of this, you get 12. And if you add the third term and fourth term, so if you see third term is a plus d, fourth term is a plus 2d. So if you add these two, you get 14. So that's the way you do it.
Yes.
The two conditions. Try it and let me know what answer you get.
The first thing that I'm getting after putting it in the condition and all that is 4 8 plus 2d equals to 12. So after this, I should just leave it like that.
Yes. Name it as equation
And
1.
also, this will have simultaneous equations.
Mostly, yeah.
Okay. Two d plus d will be equal to 3d, right? 2d plus d equals to 3d, right?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
There is one more page.
Let me check this now. Okay, show me the next. A is 1, D is 4, correct. -3, 1, 5, and 9. Yeah, correct. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the 9th one. So the 9th one is if the 9th.
One second. Can you switch off the screen sharing and switch it on again, because I cannot see it. It's gone blank. So just now I can see.
Okay, so a 9th sum is if the 9th term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. Okay, so 9th term in this is given 0. 9th term means T9 is 0.
But twice of 0 is 2 into 0, which is 0.
No. Twice the 19th term. This is 9
So T9
and this
12.
is 19. What you said?
No, sorry. Yeah, I came to know this is 9, then that is 19.
Yeah, you have to show that the 29th term, that means T29 is twice the 19th term, that is twice
What is
T19.
TST?
To show that.
Okay,
to show that T29 is 2 times T19, or 29th term is twice the 19th term. So is the question clear what is given and what you have to prove?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the proof. We'll start with first what is given, T9. For that, first we'll use the Tn formula. Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 D. So T9 will be A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So this will become, but T9 is 0. So this will be A plus 8D. 9 minus 1 is 8. So here you get, if you take plus 8 on the other side, you'll get plus 8D on the other side, you'll get minus 8D. So A is equal to minus 8D. This, I'll keep it separate and name it as equation number 1.
No, but minus 8 goes on the other side, so it will become plus 8.
No,
you just, okay, got it.
Okay, plus 8 is taken on the other. Okay, now let's start with what we have to prove. We have to prove T29 is 2T19. Let's start with the left-hand side, T29. Okay, so T29, okay, LHS. By using the formula, this will be A plus 29 minus 1 D. Okay, so this will become A plus 28D. But from equation number 1, what is the value of A? A is minus 8. So I'm just substituting A as minus 8D plus 28D. Now, minus 8D plus 28D will give you 20D. Correct? Is this clear?
Yes.
So T29 is 28D. And now this I'll keep it separate and I'll
20D.
name 20D. Yeah. And this I'll keep it separate and I'll name it as equation number 2. Now you take the RHS. Okay, RHS is 2 times T19. 2 times T19. This is the RHS. Okay, if you see, LHS is T29, RHS is 2T19. So let's take the RHS
2 into T19, right?
Yes. So 2 as it is, and for T19 here, I'll use a Tn formula. That is A plus N, 19 minus 1, 19 minus 1, D.
No, but first you have to write the formula, right? And then you have to substitute. Or I should do that.
Formula I have written already, here once, so that's okay here. One. Here you can write it directly.
Okay, fine.
But you have understood this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's.
It's a simple first formula, right?
Yeah. Multiply that to. Okay. First we'll do this A plus 18D. Now multiply the 2 inside. Or wait. First you substitute from equation 1. You substitute the value of A. Equation 1 says A is equal to minus 8D. So minus 8D
no.
plus
A,
8.
Right?
Value of A. A. Here A.
A is given as minus 20D, right? Oh, no. Okay.
That is
okay,
T20,
okay. This is
T29.
confusing.
Okay, T29 is 20D. Okay. Now.
Once you finish the sum, just say the sum of it.
Yeah. So minus 8D plus 18D will give you 10D. And you multiply the 2 inside, you will get 20D. 20D. And this you name it as equation 3. So that means 2 times T19 is 20D. And you see now equation 2 and equation 3 is same. So from equation number 2
but we have to prove that they are double, right?
And 3. Yeah, we proved it, no? T29 is equal to 2 times T19. We proved it. So you see our LHS.
If both are equal, then how did you prove?
LHS and RHS both are equal. So
it becomes double?
Yeah, now I've taken 2 here now. Can you see this 2?
But we had to prove that it is double, right? Not equal.
So if you see this statement here, T29 is 2. This statement means that 29th term is double of 19th term. Correct? This statement, can you see this one?
Yes.
So this only I have proved by taking LHS and RHS. So LHS is T29 and RHS is double of 19. So RHS here, I took double of 19 here. Understood?
Yes.
So what I have done is LHS
no, I
and
thought that
RHS.
it would be that if double, then T29 would be say 40 and T19 would be 20. That way double I thought.
Okay, that way is also okay. I'll take that method then of yours. Fine. So what you do is
what?
I'll take that method of yours, what you said. T19 will take now. T19 is equal to A plus.
So what you did was wrong.
It was not wrong. I'm just doing it as per how you're understanding.
No, but if that was not wrong, then how did you show that they are equal?
LHS and RHS is equal. I use that technique.
So if LHS and RHS are equal, how does it prove that that is double of the first one?
Because RHS is 2 times T19, no? So already it is double. I'm just proving it
No,
is
I did
equal.
not understand what you're
Okay,
saying.
forget that. Forget that. Up to T29 you understood. Now we'll take the T19. So T19 is A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So this becomes A plus 18D. And by equation number 1, A is minus 8D. Okay, so minus 8D plus 18D. So
Yes.
T19 is 10D. 10D. This you name it as
Yes.
equation number 3.
Yeah, so now it is proper, right?
Yeah. So now if you see T29 from
It's
equation number
double
2.
of T20. Correct. Yeah. So then earlier, what did you do?
Earlier I just took the right hand side. Yeah, that means I had taken here directly 2 I had taken. So I got it to be equal.
So then, which is easier?
You do this one since you have understood this. So from equation 2 and 3, from equation T29 is double of T19. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll zoom out.
I should write this down.
Yes. You want me to go through it again?
Yes, once if we can.
Okay. So ninth, can you see? Or you want me to zoom in?
No. I have zoomed in.
Okay.
You can continue.
Okay. So see at the top, ninth term is T9 is 0. You have to show that T29 is double of T19. That means T29 equal to 2 into T19. So we'll use the Tn formula. Tn
Why
is
did
a
they give us the Tn in the first place?
hmm?
Why did they give us T9 is equal to 0?
Because we are using that. We are using that here to first find out A is equal to minus 8D. To find the first term A. And then we substituted the first term in both of these. That in T29 and T19, we have substituted the value of A. So T9 is 0 that we use to find the value of A. Got it?
Yeah.
So T9, first we are using the T9 formula. So T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1D. So T9 is 0, substitute 0. So 0 is equal to A plus 8D. So take plus 8D on the other side, it became minus 8D. So value of 8, we get minus 8D. This you keep it at the side, number it as equation number 1. Now here you find, take T29. Now use the Tn formula again here. T29 will be A plus 29 minus 1D. Substitute the value of A from equation number 1 that you got. A is minus 8D and 29 minus 1 will give you 28D. Now minus 8D plus 28D will give you 20D. So T29 is 20D. Name this as, keep it at the side and number it as equation 2. Now find out T19. T19 by Tn formula becomes A plus 19 minus 1D. So A plus 18D. 19 minus 1 is 18. Again, substitute the value of A from equation number 1. You got value of A to be minus 8D. So here you get minus 8D plus 18D. Now minus 8D plus 18 is 10. So T19 is 10D. Now from equation number 2 and from equation number 3, you get T29 is double of T19, hence proved. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, write it down.
Your screen is on blank. Can you switch off and switch on the screen share again? Hello?
Can you see now? Can you see?
No.
No? Now?
You're live.
Yes, now I can see. Such sums come for how many marks?
What?
Such sums come for how many marks?
3 marks.
These are word problems, right?
These are not exactly word problems, but it is similar to word problems.
Okay.
Done? You can't hear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, done.
Let's go for the problem sums now. We start directly from the exercise sums.
Yes.
Practice at 3.4, first one only will do. So let's understand the first one. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10. Then on the second day, rupees 11. On the third day, rupees 12, and so on. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total savings? Okay, what would be her total savings? So on 1st January, she
31.
how
Oh,
30?
no, sorry.
So total,
Sarah taken 10, right? 10 on the first day.
10 on the first day, 11 on the
and then
second
31
day,
days like that.
12, and no, not 31 days. Look now, she started on 1st January 2016. Last day is
Oh, okay.
31st December 2016.
Okay, December.
Okay, so 13 and so on. So we don't know
For
on the
1 year.
yes, for an entire year. So we don't know what you have to find out that on the last day, if she does saving like this, on the last day, how much money will be with her. So you have to add 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 up to so much. Now here, if you keep adding, it will take a lot of time. So we'll use a concept of arithmetic progression.
SN.
Yes, SN formula. We need to use the SN formula. Now, since I don't know the last term, we will use the first formula, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now you can either use the Tn formula to find out how many n is there, or you know in 1 year how many days. How many days would be there from 1st Jan to 31st December? How many days in a year?
366 because it's a leap year.
Yes, so 366. So you can avoid using the Tn formula. We'll just say n is equal to 366 as 2016 is a leap year. And then we know A, first term is 10. Common
Our school
difference,
did not teach us the second formula.
T1 plus Tm.
Yeah, they said it's deleted.
Okay.
But is it like deleted from the board or have they deleted it?
No, it's not deleted. So let's use the formula. Sn is equal to 366. N is 366.
Are there some sums where you have to only use the Tn formula? The Sn, but like the second Sn formula?
Only
then
that.
you cannot use the first one.
No. If you can use the second one, if you can use the second one, you can use the first one also. But if you cannot use the second one, then you have to use the first one only.
Okay.
So 2 into A, that is 10, plus 366 minus 1 into D, that is 1. Common difference is 1. I hope you know why common difference is 1.
Yes, because 2 minus 1 is 1.
Yes. So 366 divided by 2 is 183. 2 tens are 20 plus 366 minus 1 is 365. And that multiplied by 1 will give 365 itself. So 183, 20 plus 365. So this will become 183 multiplied by 20 plus 365 will be 385. And now you have to just multiply 183 into 385. So this will be 70,455. So S366 is 70,455. You can write Sanika will save rupees 70,455 at the end of the year. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, so now write it down.
I can't see your screen. You'll have to stop the screen share and start screen share. Yes, now I can see. I have to write it, right? Hello.
Yes, write it. Did you understand?
Yes.
Write it down.
Can you stop and screen share again? I don't know. Maybe this is happening because and it is going on to the other page. So that is why it stops and goes back.
Can you see
Yeah.
now?
Yes. This is problem set, right?
No, this is practice set.
No.
3 point,
Oh yeah, practice. 4.
3.4.
Done.
Second one.
All sums are there from this practice set.
Yes.
Okay.
From this chapter, nothing is deleted. But
Oh.
from the first 2 chapter, there are many things which is deleted, but which I did. So I will tell you. I'll go across that afterwards and tell you what is not there. In detail, I'll go across it later on. Okay, from linear equations and from quadratic equations, there are many things which is not there, but we have done it.
The school has also not done those.
Yeah.
Only we have.
Yeah. So now, since we have got the proper information that that is not there, it's deleted, we will go according to that only. Same thing in geometry for the next 3 chapters which are remaining. That is similarity, Pythagoras theorem, and constructions. So there is a lot what is deleted. So I will teach according to the deleted portion there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do this one. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of 1,360 in 12 installments, 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by 40 rupees. You have to find the amount of the first installment and last installment. Understand the question. Okay, this man, he borrows 8,000 rupees and now he is repaying.
SN first formula.
Yeah. SN formula we have to use because the total is given, SN. He borrows a total sum.
And also because the last is not given.
Yes. Okay. So what he does when he's repaying the loan, he starts with 1,360. And after that, in the next month, 40 rupees less. And in each month, 40 rupees keeps reducing.
So 40 rupees, like 1,360 minus 40 we will do in the first.
In the next month, yes. In the next month.
Okay.
So what you have to find out, you have to find the amount of the first installment and the last installment.
So first one will be the one which is given.
So A, that means A. And
so
last
that will
means
be 1,360, right?
One minute, not 1,360, but this what is given is the interest. Okay, and this 8,000 is a principal amount. So when he's returning, okay, when he's returning the principal amount and the interest also. Are you getting it?
No, I do not remember compound simple interest.
Wait, I will write it down, then you'll understand. So first I'll write money borrowed. How much money did he borrow?
80,000 plus 1,360 and then minusing 40.
No, see,
each one.
8,000, it's not 80,000, it's 8,000. 8,000. 8,000 is the total money that he borrowed. Okay, and now this 1,360 is the it is the amount that he pays every month back. Now that amount is the principal amount plus the interest, both together is 1,360. Okay. So first, let's go stepwise. So first, money borrowed.
He's paying 1,360.
Yes.
So he's paying 1,360.
Every month he's paying 1,360.
But minusing 40 each month.
Yes, 40
so
reducing.
That is what I said, no, that A becomes 1,360. A does not, T1 does not become 1,360. First month he will pay 1,360, right?
No, wait. I think I must have said it wrong. Read the question again. A man borrows 8,000 and agrees to repay with total interest. So total interest is 1,360, not the first one.
So Getting A is equal to 1,360, right?
No. Total
then 1,360
interest.
minus 40.
No, you're not getting it still.
So he's not paying 1,360.
No, he's not paying.
Wait, what are you saying?
1,360 is the total interest. Do you know what
total
is
interest of the year? Interest is like some gets increased every time because you are late to pay or something like that.
No. What is interest according to you? Say.
Interest is that keeps like a percentage that increases if you every month that you pay. So if you pay the principal, you pay some,
Some
and then
extra.
yeah, some extra also you pay
Hmm.
just
So,
because you.
okay. So look carefully now. This man, he takes from the bank, okay, from the bank, he borrows 8,000 rupees. Okay. Now, bank will not directly give 8,000 rupees. So, he has to also return this to the bank. Now, he will not return only 8,000. He will have to return some more extra money. 8,000, what he took, plus some extra money. So when he's returning, he has to compulsorily return the 8,000, but he has to return some extra money also. He has to give some extra money because bank has given him some time to repay it. So this extra money is called as the interest. Understood now?
So A will equal to 1360.
A is not 1360. This extra money that he has to pay is 1360. So in total, okay, in total, in 1 year, in this 12
So
months,
he's paying 8,000 plus 1360 minus 40, and that will be A.
no, no. A, we have to find out. We have to find out A.
No, I did not understand.
Okay. Again, he borrows,
Hello? Yeah, I can listen to you. Yeah.
he borrows from this bank. Okay, from this bank, he borrows 8,000 rupees. Now, after 1 year, okay, after 1 year,
Oh, okay, got it. Okay, got it. So,
yeah,
like he pays out of 8,000, what he pays per month, so he pays only, but out of 1360, also thoda he gets added to what he's paying
yes,
out of
yes,
8,000.
yes, correct. So in
Okay,
total,
got it.
after 1 year, 8,000 plus 1360 he pays back after 1 year. And that he does thoda every month, little every month. Now understood? So this 1360 is a
Yes,
total interest. It is not money that he pays in the first month. It is a total in extra money that he pays
understood.
back.
I understood. From 8,000, he's paying little every month,
Yes.
and plus from 1360 also, he's paying little every month.
Yes. So you have to find every month. And now also one condition is given that every month he pays now 40 rupees less than the previous one. So you have to find out how much he paid in the first month and how much he paid in the last month. That you have to find out. Okay. So total interest,
Oh,
total interest is rupees 1360. Okay.
so the question is that how much out of 8,000 and 1360 is paying every month?
Yes. Basically, first and last you only
Okay.
have to find out. First and last.
So you have to find TN and T1, right?
Not TN. T1 is correct. T1 means A. But now last it keeps getting subtracted, no, or basically added. Now since it is less, means it is getting subtracted. So you have to use the SN
So
formula to
how
find out
added?
the last one.
Then you're confusing it. How is it subtracting and adding?
Let me go with the sum, you'll understand.
Okay.
Total interest is 1360. Then total money repaid. Okay, total money repaid that he has to repay. Okay, it will be the principal amount, how much he borrowed, 8,000, plus the interest, that is 1360. So after 1 year, he returns 8,000 plus 1360, that is 9,360. Okay, this is the total amount that he has to return. You have to find out A, that is installment in the first one, and you have to find out the last term or installment in the last month. Okay, installment in the last month. Okay, now look at this. Okay, so this is suppose first month, then second month, and last is the 12th month. Okay, in 1 year, 12 months. Now, in this first month, he returned some money. In the second month, he returned some money. And then in the last month, how much money he returned, that you have to find out.
Nothing is there. Everything over. No one, someone paid over.
Yes, but some money he has to give, no? Then only it will get completed.
So that is 360.
No, that we have to find out. That we have to find. That we have to find out. Don't guess like that. We have to find out.
Okay.
So the total money that he repaid is 12. Okay, like first month plus second month plus third month plus the last month. That will be 9,360.
Only 3 months?
No, 12 months. 12 months. Dot,
Okay.
dot.
Okay.
So S12 is 9,360. Did you understand this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now we have to find out how much he paid in the first month and how much in the last month. Keeping in mind that every month 40 rupees less he pays. So here we'll use the SN formula. SN is N upon
But how?
2.
N we don't know. We don't know A. We don't know D.
N we know, right? 12 months.
Yeah, but then how to find A, D, and if you multiply also? So how?
D is given in the question.
Why can't we use the second one?
Because we don't know TN. We have to find out.
Eventually, we won't get it.
We will.
So then we use that only. Hello.
T1 plus Tn. We don't know T1, no? We have to find out T1 and we have to find out Tn also. Both the things we have to find out.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And D is given in the question. It says it is reducing by 40. Okay.
So 40 rupees is D.
Reducing by 40. It is becoming less by 40. So whenever it is something that is getting less, you put a negative sign.
Minus 40 rupees.
Minus 40. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. S12 equals 12 upon 2 into 2 into a, you have to find out. Plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40.
So 6 into 2a.
S12 also we know. So
13.
we'll substitute this.
Okay.
So 6 2a plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into minus 40. So 9360 is equal to 6 into 2a plus into minus minus, and 11 into 40 is 440.
440.
Yeah.
So we can take 6 on the other side.
Yes, it will get divided.
So
9360. No, it's in multiplication here, right?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Multiplication.
So 2a minus 440. And 9. This after dividing, you will get 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30.
1560. 1560. I can't see your screen. Can you stop and start again? Hello.
Yeah, wait. Now? Can you see now?
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah. It was loading. Yeah, I can see.
So 2a minus 440. Minus 440 take on the other side and it will get added. So 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a So this will become 2000 is equal to 2a. 2 go on the other side, it will get divided. So 2000 divided by 2 is equal to a. So a is 1000. So first term, or the money that he pays in the first month, is 1000. Is this clear?
So by this we can just add 40, 40, 40, 11 times.
No, why 40, 40? Why 40?
Because
40.
it is decreasing by 40. So you
Then why
need
you're
to add
adding?
40.
Why you're adding? Okay, to find the last term. To find the last term, you're
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah, you have to find the last row.
But it is decreasing. So why you want to add 40? You have to subtract 40.
But if you subtract 40, 11 times by 1000,
So
then how much?
it's
Oh,
possible.
yeah,
You
you
can
can.
you
Yeah,
can
yeah, it's
do
possible. Yeah,
440. You have to subtract it 440. 11
yeah,
times
so that
11
will
times
be,
you're subtracting 40. So means you're subtracting 440. But instead of
yes.
that, just directly use the TN formula. No? Why you want to use do so much? That means you have to find the last term. That means T12 you have to find out. So that will be A plus 12 minus 1 into D. What you said is also correct. That will give you the answer. 1000 plus 11 into D is minus 40. So 1000 plus 11 into 40 is 440. And this will become 1000 minus 440, which is 560. So in the first month, he pays 1000 rupees. And in the last month, he pays 5060 rupees.
How to tally?
Keep adding.
Okay.
So hence, in the first month, or hence the first installment and last installment, first and last
I have to write
installment.
this, right?
Yes,
I'll write this down.
is rupees 1000 and rupees 560. Did you understand it? But I hope there are no confusions.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Can you see the sum, entire sum? Is it visible? I can't hear you.
Yes, I'm writing.
Okay.
That is why I forgot to say. I'll write this down.
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be money borrowed and not borrows?
Yes, money borrowed.
Still not borrowing, borrowed.
Yeah, ED.
Yes. What's the number you have written in 12 upon 2? 2a plus what?
Which
12
portion?
upon 2. Here. Can you see?
12
That
minus
is
2.
12. Okay, 12. Okay. I thought that is A. That is why I.
Okay. I'll zoom out.
No. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Right up to here and then tell me. I'll scroll down.
Hello. Can you scroll down? What is the first word? Hilo? In the last statement, it's in hilo?
Hence the first and last statement, installment. Hence the first and last
Okay.
installment is 1,560.
It really looks like a hilo.
Let's do the next one. Third one. This is easy now. This is very simple. Just small sum. It is not as lengthy like the previous one. So in this, Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested 5,000 rupees. In the second year, he invested 7,000 rupees.
I can't see anything. Your screen is blank over. Oh no, I am zoomed in. No, I had zoomed in.
Now?
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So Sachin, I'll make it a little big. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. Okay, so in the first year, he invested 5,000 rupees. In the second year, he invested 7,000 rupees. And in the third year, 9,000 and so on. You have to find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. Okay, in 12 years, you have to find his total investment. So first year, that means first term is 5,000. Or wait 1 minute, I'll write it like this. First term, in first year, he saved 5,000 rupees. In second year, 7,000 rupees. In the third year, 9,000 rupees, and so on. Okay, this goes up to 12 years.
In the fourth year, he'll be saving 11,000.
Yes. So it is, what is the common difference?
3,000.
3?
2,000.
2,000. So A first term is 5,000. Common difference is 2,000.
So we don't have to show 7,000 minus 5,000 equals to 2,000.
Yeah, you can.
2,000.
You can show that. It is understood, but D is 2,000. No?
Okay,
but yes, but
yeah.
if you want to show, you can show 7,000.
No, it's okay. I'll write 2,000.
Yeah, minus 5,000, that is 2,000. Common difference is 2,000. You have to find out now in the last year how much money is saved. So that will that be SN or will it be TN? Will it be SN or TN? Total. You have to find total in the 12th year.
TN.
No, you have to find total.
TN.
No, you have to find total.
Oh, you have to find total, not the last. You have to find
yes.
total.
Total. You have to find SN. And you also know the value of N. How many years?
12 years.
So N
First
is 12.
year is 5,000.
Yes. So
That
first, yes, first year is,
second formula.
Yeah, first year is 5,000. No, second formula we cannot use because I don't know in the last year how much he's saving.
So we'll find that, no, eventually.
How?
By using the formula, we'll not find it.
No.
The rest, everything is there and only one is not there. Only one thing is not there, so we will not eventually find it.
TN, no. We have to find out total money he saves in the 12th year. So for that, in the first year, how much he saves, and in the second year, how much he saves, that has to be, if I want to use the second formula. But last year, I don't know how much he saved. And if I first find out that, then it will be lengthy. First find out that, then substitute it in the second formula. Getting it? You can use a TN formula and find out how much is in the last one. But with this formula, I'm getting it in just one step. So why do I use two formulas where I can use one formula and get the answer? So you see SN formula here. SN is first one, N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2 into A, that is 5,000, plus N minus 1, that's 12 minus 1, into common difference, that is 2,000. So this becomes 6. 2 into 5,000 is 10,000. And 12 minus 1 is 11 into 2,000. So this will be 6 into 10,000 plus 11 into 2,000 will give you 22,000. And 10,000 plus 22,000 is 32,000. And 32 into 6 is 192 and at 1,000. So it's 1,92,000. So we can say he saves a total amount of 1,92,000. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, write it down. Do you have another class or something? Yeah.
Hello?
Do you have another class?
You're saying something?
Yes. Do you have another class?
Yes, at 5:15.
5:15.
Yeah, 5:15, 1 5.
Okay. Do this sum.
Done.
Okay. We'll stop then for now. 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 3 sums are remaining. From the fourth sum, I want you to try for homework. Okay. Fourth sum, will you do?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Bye.
see you on Thursday. Yeah.
Yes.